Life hack for you guys. Put your to-do list in a little spinny wheel, random wheel generator online. It makes it go by so much easier and quicker and a little bit fun because it's like you're anticipating what could be next. If you caught my last vlog, that's exactly what I did. And I pretty much finished my entire to-do list, guys. The only thing that's left is to wash and trim my hair, record a try on, and buy Mama Daly's gift. I did everything else, although I didn't vlog everything else, but cleaned my bathroom, did my laundry. Oh, laundry update. This is my cute little laundry basket that I bought because it was aesthetically pleasing. As you can see, it is empty, meaning I did my laundry. This was 2 weeks worth of laundry that fit in here. I know, I'm just as shocked as you, so I guess I don't need to return it anymore. I used to have a large laundry basket, so maybe I guess I just thought I needed a large laundry basket, but it turns out that I don't, guys. I don't have like a traditional job where I work outside the home and have to have like a second set of clothing, like a nurse, for example, has scrubs and then comes home and changes. I don't have that. I don't have kids, so I don't have sticky fingers and spit up and accidents and stuff like that. So my clothes stay clean. And I also am not a gym girly. So I don't have like a second set of athleisure wear, like, I don't know, what are the girlies wearing now? Lululemon, Alu, I can't think of any more, but you get the gist, right? Like, this actually fits my clothing. I know what you're thinking. Toni, what about your bedding, your linens? Like, there's no way it's gonna fit in there. You're right, but this is what I do. So I take my bedding off my bed, and then I walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 steps. 12 steps to my in-suite laundry. And that's it. I don't have 2 flights of stairs anymore to lug a heavy basket up and down. So I can just do my laundry more often. It's NBD. I know some of you guys were worried about what I was gonna do with this little baby basket, but turns out nothing to worry about. It works just fine for me. So on my to-do list yesterday, I took my braids out. Here's what it's looking like right now. It's dirty, it is tangled. I haven't done anything to it. I just took my braids out and put my bonnet on, and that was it. My plan is to do my hair today, wash, trim it, and get my fingers in it because I haven't gotten my fingers and played in it in a while. For the life of me, I cannot find any of my hair tools, like my combs and stuff, so I went to the hair store. Let me do a little hair store haul. I got the wide tooth comb. Need the wide tooth comb. Must have. I got the wide tooth parting comb with the thin handle. Also must have. I got the soft boar bristle. Oh, that's a tongue twister. The soft boar bristle brush so that I can, you know, do my little slick back buns and puffs. And I decided to get all black tools this time, so that Hair by Half doesn't steal, because I have a feeling she might have stolen my combs. She uses all colorful, different colored ones. Okay, so I picked up an Afro pick and then I put it back because I saw this one. The first one I picked up was black, obviously. You know, the typical black one with the metal teeth, except the teeth were like capped. It had like a coating on the teeth, which was cool. But then I saw this wooden pick. I don't even know if this is gonna work for my hair or rip out my hair, but I couldn't resist, guys. Do you see that? Black owned. FirstLineBrands.com, and they're based in Houston, Texas. So shout out to you. It is a 100% natural wood. It's a black woman-owned company. Since 1986, they've delivered high-quality, innovative hair care accessories around the world. Our mission is to empower you to feel good about your hair texture and increase your access to premium hair care products. Our family of brands include Wave Enforcer, Evolve, Cameron's BFF, that's a cute name, Dry Sweat, and Sleek, because healthy hair runs in the family. Oh my God. So I got this cute Afro pick. Love it. I got a pair of shears, and I did get a black pair of shears because I can't wait to give it a little trim in it. You guys know I'm so scissor happy. Like, I love cutting my hair. I also got one of these, you know, knockoff Denman slash, what do you call it, detangling kind of brushes. I actually want to try this on the roomie's hair because her hair is curly. They didn't have it in black, unfortunately, so this is the only one that kind of doesn't match. I picked up a little tub of Eco Styler gel because I don't know where mine is. I don't use a lot, so that's why I always get this small size, and this usually lasts me forever. Last but not least, I got mousse. Okay, I've been seeing this trend of reverse styling online. I'm sure you guys have come across it in the natural hair world, where the girlies are blow drying their hair and then only curl defining the ends. And I was like, ooh, maybe I should try that as a kinky haired girl. Most of them are using mousse, some are using gel, so I just figured I'd have options. And that's it. That's my hair store haul. Okay, I'm about to heat up some lunch, but I wanted to show you guys these flowers that I bought. Aren't they gorgeous? I went to this store called Healthy Planet to pick something up, and I didn't even know they sell flowers, and these are so gorgeous. They literally look like they're from a florist. They smell so good, you guys. I have this candle sitting here and I haven't even been burning it because the flowers are filling the whole apartment with their fragrance. And then I found this cute little vase on Amazon, this little cowboy boot, pink cowboy boot. How cute is that? I wish you guys could smell these. Go, take a big sniff. So good, right? Let's water the plants while I'm over here. This is Monet. I pruned her last week and moved her position. Actually, she was on this side of the room, but then a couple days ago, maintenance came to change all the fan coil units. So I moved her again so they could access it easily. So she's been sitting right here for now, but now that she's had some time to adjust to her pruning, I think she looks pretty good. I'm gonna move her back over to the window, probably on this side, I think. And here's Baby D, doing quite well. Here's Family, and then there's Shaniqua. Okay, so what had happened was one of my subscribers hit me up. Shout out to you, girl. She's been a long time customer of mine. She DM'd me on Instagram to purchase a few items. She ordered 2 pairs of earrings, a cutting board, and a mirror, and a scarf. So I'm gonna actually go to the mall, meet her, drop off her package, and I figured I could incorporate my walk, my daily walk, into it. So that's why I'm leaving super early to walk all the way to the mall to meet her and bring her package. So this will have to wait, but you guys be honest with me, how bad does it look? It's super dirty. And I didn't want to really put more gel. I just kind of spritzed it, brushed it up. I don't know. Do I look crazy to go meet a subscriber? Or no? Oh, it's gonna have to do. Okay, the clouds just shifted and it got so bright. Hold on. I'm so lazy. Look how much it shrunk. I don't want to do my hair. Oh my god. I'm super lazy. But I will admit that a lot of the breakage and damage that I incur is because of this. Like, I'll take out my braids and then I'll be like, oh, I'm gonna take out my hair, wash it, condition it, treat it, and then I won't. I'll go like an entire week like this with my hair tangled, dry, dirty before I get around to washing it, and I'm trying to stop doing that. So I feel like that's long enough. Like, it needs a good deep condition. It needs to be detangled. Like, I can't walk around with these little knots on the ends any further. That's what happens to like break and snap off. So can you guys please, somebody come over and wash my hair for me? Anyways, I did get a couple packages on my way up, so I figured I would just open them for you. Oh, first one is from Amazon. I purchased this with my own money because I cannot find my head wraps since moving. I might have actually donated all of them. You guys know I downsized majorly, so I decided to pick up a pack of head wraps from Amazon. There's 4 colors in here. Orange, it's like a burnt orange though. It's really pretty. Looks like a taupe color, a brown, beigey color, and black. A 4-pack, so stay tuned for some head wrap videos. One of my favorite types of videos. I used to do head wrap videos all the time. Check out some of my old ones if you want to see baby Toni, because I've been on this platform for entirely too long. I also got this package. I haven't placed an order with bclgbags.com in a long time, you guys. So I actually had 2 packages from them that got lost in transit because I sold my house. I think one went to the old house, and maybe, I don't know if the new owners took it or what, but it mysteriously disappeared. And then for a while I was in between addresses, didn't really have a forwarding address, so another one disappeared. So yeah, I got something in from them finally. As you can see, a pair of Air Max. Ooh, aren't these so cute? They look like, there's no way to tell you guys. Like, I don't know. I've found that their quality is really good. Like, it's, I don't know. I can't see any difference when I go in the store. Now these, as you can see, they're small. These are a women's size 7. I actually wear a women's size 8.5 in Air Max. So these are too small for me, but the roomie wears a 7. So congratulations to her. She gets a fresh pair of Air Max. They're heavy, they're weighted. They feel just like my Air Max that I got from Foot Locker. I think this is the second pair that I've ordered of Air Maxes. The brown ones that I ordered, I think last year, and then these ones for the roomie. And I do have a coupon code which gives you, I think it's 5% off. Is it 5% or $5? One of the two, but I'll link it down below. Excited. Let's see what the roomie thinks. I have a few other items en route from them, so I'll be sure to show you them once they arrive. Hello? I got you a present.
No, stop it. Did y'all?
I did.
Did y'all?
Tell me what you think.
Jeez, we got some Maxis.
You like them?
I love them.
Aren't they nice?
They're lovely. Thank you.
Welcome.
Oh, they're fire.
Yeah.
Am I gonna be an Air Max person this summer?
I think you are an Air Max guy.
I think I'm an Air Max guy. It gives me an extra, height or whatever.
Yeah. And like, you can't go wrong with classic black and white.
No, absolutely. These are fire. Appreciate you.
Welcome. Okay, I'm in my bathroom, so I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to show you my setup with a few items that I bought. This is me just with my camera. Hold on, close the door. Okay, ignore the towel, but this is me just with my camera and bathroom lighting. I closed the door so there's no outside lighting coming in. As you can see, not the brightest. So I'm gonna put you down here on the counter. First things first, I purchased this, and this you can actually use in the car as a cell phone mount. I mean, it is a cell phone mount for the car, but obviously it works on a mirror as well. And then this is the clip. It's like a really heavy duty clip, which I like, that clips around the phone like that. It's just like a big claw clip, kind of like the ones, you know, you put in your hair. I find that so much easier than the ones on the spring mount that you have to like push it. So there you go, there's how it looks. Recording on both devices now. So the second thing I want to show you is obviously the difference in lighting. This is the light. I just showed you guys this the other day from Amazon. So I just put it on top of my phone. Okay, so remember how my video looked in the beginning without any lighting? This is me just with my camera and bathroom lighting. This is how it looks with the Amazon light. Really good, right? If you have like a small setup where you don't have space for like a tripod or big lighting, this works. Okay. Creator behind the scenes tips, link down below, and you can just bring it in your car when you're done because it doubles as a, well, it is a car mount, but you know what I'm saying. This is the mixed lighting. This is obviously cool lighting, and this is warm lighting. So I think the mixed one looks the best. What do you guys think? See those blue dots on the back of the light? That's the battery level. So you can tell how much charge your light has left, like without looking at the back because it's reflected off the mirror. And number two, let me show you, one sec. As you can see, I just flipped my phone around so I can record with the back camera, which has the best quality, and I can still see myself in the phone itself because it's attached to a mirror. I just got out the shower. It's still steamy, but I just want to show you that it's still up. Oh, I got no pants on, girl. And now, you guys already know what time it is. It's time to pull my big boy out. This is the Revair. Not sponsored, but I do have an affiliate link if anybody's interested. I'll link it down. Okay, hold on. They are doing a Mother's Day promotion right now where you can get a free gift with purchase. So you get the Mother's Day gift, and then with my code, you also get an additional 10% off. So if you're thinking about it, now's a good time to maybe pick one up. I got mine a while ago. If you guys remember my first video that I did on it, and honestly, since I got it, I have not used a regular or traditional blow dryer since. It's so much easier, and I love it. Halfway done. My hair feels good. It was well overdue for some TLC, but as you can see, I'm starting to get a little bit of length. And when I get a little bit of length, my hair starts to look thin, okay? Fine hair problems. If you know, you know. So you know what that means. Time for a cut, a trim. That's why I bought some new shears. And I'm very excited because I am just scissor happy by nature. So let's do that next. Oh, my arm. Better. Yeah. Do you see what I mean? Do you see what I mean? Much better, innit? And I think it's pretty even. So hopefully my shape is improved and it looks it already looks fuller blow dried, but hopefully it looks much fuller when it's back to its natural shrunken state. Feels great though. I love a fresh trim.